Our activity is divided into three parts. The first one is food distribution. Under this program, we distribute the food to people who don't have money to buy it at particular place. The second one is feeding the animal. We distribute the food to human as well as we also feed the animal under this program. And the third one is tree plantation. To increase the oxygen content in atmosphere, we plant the trees under this program. This all activity is performed by Team Agnipank, and the members of Agnipank are: Hello, I'm Saigo Dambhe.
Hello, I am Nikita Kanade.
Hello, Sachin Sathav here.
Hello everyone, this is Prajakta Wankhede.
Hello, I am Nayan Gedam.
Hello, my name is Mohit Pinsarkar.
In Government Hospital of Yavatmal, on date 18 July 2021 on Sunday, we organize our food distribution program. The objective of selection of the place: in district government hospital, the people came from far from their village. Due to the casualty, they came city without enough money and food.
Some of the people are not capable to buy the food daily from the hospital canteen. According to the rule of government, they provide food to their patients only, but not to their relatives.
How did we collected the food packets? For this program, we contact people to contribute at least 5 packets of food, and they contribute happily.
कुछ करिए बस बस बड़ा बोले अब कुछ करिए ओ कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए हाय कोई तो चल सिद्ध फड़िए तू बेतरिए या मरिए चक दे हो चक दे गिनिया चक दे हो चक दे गिनिया चक दे हो चक दे गिनिया चक दे हो चक दे गिनिया
Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. This is the time, let's do or die.
Our second activity is feeding the animal. All animals have basic needs like food and water and good housing. But animals also have a need to be treated well. This includes living in a comfortable environment, being with other animals, and avoiding situations which create stress for the animal. The coronavirus lockdown has not only forced the entire world indoor but has put India's four-leg states in the extreme distress. Unavailability of food and water in this scorching summer is impacting stray animals all over the country. With the restaurant and eateries downing shutters and food trucks parked at home, strays have been struggling to find food to kill their hunger. They have nothing to eat, not even leftover that they always relied on. Dogs who do not have dedicated feeders suffer because even production of garbage from eateries had stopped and meat shop, which were their favorite place to hover around, have shut, said by one of the dog lab heads. So our team decided to feed stray animal also. Just like our team Agnipank slogan, love all, serve all. So our teamwork is not restricted to the human beings, but it is applied for all living beings. So we decide to feed the animals which are surrounding us, and so each member of the team Agnipank will start it to feed at least one animal daily.
ये जान तो जान है ना, तू इंसान है ना, कि वो बेजुबान है ना, तू तो इंसान है ना। तू खुद को उड़ते पंछी की एक बार जगह पे रख, दाना पानी के खातिर तू यहाँ वहाँ तो भटक। गलियों के वो कुत्ते जो आवारा तू कहता है, वो तुझसे बेहतर है जो अपने में ही रहता है।
And our third activity is tree plantation. Oxygen level in the atmosphere are declining day by day due to continuous deforestation. Increase oxygen if human life is to survive. For this, it is necessary to plant the plants that provide oxygen. But due to the restriction of government, we all members have planted the trees at their respective towns and cities. We have planted a few trees like fig tree, banyan tree, guava tree, aglaomalus, and some other medical plants such as Tinospora cardifolia, vine, lemon tree, etc. If we talk about fig trees stabilize the soil and prevent landslides. The roots both spread and go deep into the soil, forming channels that bring groundwater from depth to the surface. And banyan trees are ecological linchpins. They produce vast crops of figs that sustain many other species of birds, fruit bats, and other creatures, which in turn disperse the seeds of hundreds of other plant species.
Neem contain chemicals that might help reduce blood sugar level, heal ulcer in the digestive tract, kill bacteria, and prevent pulpy formation in the mouth. Early research suggests that taking neem bark extract by mouth for 10 weeks might help heal ulcer in the stomach. Aglaomalus, as also known as bell, is one of the medicinal featured tree species. Out of 2.5 lakhs living territories plant special on the earth, bell or Aglaomalus is one of the most appreciated plant using Ayurvedic medicine by Indian and Southeast Asian countries.
And we have to understand that trees are not important, they are essential for living. They provide us oxygen, filter carbon dioxide, prevent soil erosion, maintain the ecological balance, and many more. Also, they provide us food, shelter, and many more useful things.
On the behalf of the team Agnipank, I am Nikita Kanade thanking you all to watching our video patiently. I also thank Indu ma'am to give such opportunity to do such great work. It helps us to know the real situation in outside of the world. Thank you so much.